If laundry day turns into laundry delay, don't panic. We'll get your Frigidaire washer back in action. Let's troubleshoot together. If your Frigidaire washer's agitator isn't moving, don't worry. This is a common problem. First, unplug the washer for safety. Open the lid and check if the agitator is loose or wobbling. If it is, tighten the bolt under the fabric softener cap with a socket wrench. Still not working? The agitator dogs, those little plastic gears, might be worn out. They're easy to replace. Remove the agitator cap, pull out the agitator, and swap the old dogs for new ones. Put everything back, plug the washer in, and run a quick cycle. If the agitator still won't budge, the drive belt or motor coupling could be the issue. These parts are a bit trickier, so check your manual or call a pro if you're not sure. Most of the time, though, tightening the bolt or replacing agitator dogs does the trick, and just like that, you're back to clean clothes. No sweat. Want more quick fixes? Hit subscribe and never let laundry day slow you down.